Welcome back to Windows Fixer, the place where we fix, optimize, and clean up your PC like a pro. Okay, so it's important to create a proper restore point before making any changes to your system. Whether you're optimizing Windows, tweaking performance, disabling services, or editing the registry, one small mistake can mess things up. But the good news is, if you create a proper restore point, you can easily roll everything back without losing your settings or reinstalling Windows. In this video, I'll show you how to create two critical backups. One is the system restore point, which captures your system state, and the other is the registry backup, which saves all your deep level configurations. Both are important and both can be restored if anything breaks later. So let's set it up properly and you'll thank yourself later. Now, before we start, just a quick explanation for both. The system restore point is like a time machine snapshot. It captures your system files, drivers, settings, and can restore everything to the exact state it was in when the point was created. It's especially useful after installing apps, updating drivers, or before running any optimization tools. On the other hand, the registry backup focuses only on the Windows registry, which is basically the brain of your Windows. Every setting, tweak, or change you make using tools or even in the background gets logged there. If anything gets corrupted or misconfigured, having a registry backup can save your PC from crashing or acting weird. Now let's create both the right way. First, to create a system restore point, open the Start menu and type Create a Restore Point. Then open it. This will bring up the System Properties window. Now look for the drive where Windows is installed, usually the C drive. Make sure protection is turned on for that drive. If it's off, just select the drive, click Configure, choose Turn on System Protection, and hit Apply. Now click the Create button below and give your restore point a clear name like before Windows Fixer tweaks, so you can recognize it later. Click Create again and let it do its thing. This usually takes a few seconds. Once it's done, Windows will confirm that the restore point was created successfully. That part's out of the way. Now let's back up the registry. Press the Windows key and type regedit to open the registry editor. If you get a user account control prompt, just click yes. And yeah, this part might look scary, but it's super safe if you follow along. Once the registry editor is open, look at the top left, click on File, then choose Export. Now select a safe location like your desktop or backup folder. Name the file something clear like Full Registry Backup before tweaks. Make sure the export range is set to all. That part is important. And then click Save. Depending on how big your registry is, this might take a few moments. Just be patient. Once it's done, you'll see a .reg file saved in the location you picked. That file can be double-clicked later to restore all registry entries if something goes wrong. And that's it. You've now created a full restore plan that covers both the system and the registry. Feels good, right? Now, whenever you follow my optimization guides or tweak settings, you'll have a safety net ready. If something misbehaves, restoring is just a few clicks away without losing anything or resetting your PC. That's all for today's video. Hope this helps you stay one step ahead while tuning your system like a pro. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more fixes and tweaks, and I'll see you in the next one right here on Windows Fixer.